Haven't posted a video in like 2 months. Seems like I didn't get COVID or anything. Fortunately, I've been healthy. Just busy with other stuff in life. But today I'm getting started on switching parts from the old EJ20 motor back onto the new EJ25 short block. So just doing stuff like this coolant crossover pipe. I'm about to pull the oil pan here from this one. You know, so it's just a slow process. You just switch parts, motor mounts, you know, water pump, oil pump, water, what am I trying to say here? Yeah, water pump, oil cooler, all this good stuff. So just taking my time. It's been a while since I've been out here working on this stuff. I'm remembering I need some gaskets still, and I forgot my drill to even pull like these 10mm bolts off quick, stuff like that. But yeah, starting to work again on this WRX. You can see it's got like weeds growing through the tail, the weeds growing through the headlights there, and so I'm excited to get a motor in this thing and be able to move it around, start working on things like body.
So to be clear, the physical wealth, like the mechanic's garage, the mechanic's tools.
So those things still exist and they still have...
Okay, so I'm lapping in the exhaust valves right now. Got some valve grinding compound here. I would love to have one of these. This is like the ideal, if I could find one of these with a blown motor. They're still probably 10 grand, huh?
Professionally in a shop, usually get remands or new ones.
Yeah. So what pistons, these... This is cool. I just flipped the motor over to put the oil pan on, and I still need to put this cover on, but you can see down in there, you can see the crank, which I guess I don't know if I've ever seen a Subaru crank. And the pistons here. Well, the connecting rods. So this is very cool. Okay, so today I'm continuing to switch parts from this old block to the new short block. I just got the new seal on the oil pan pickup there, that rubber one. And there's also a little O-ring that goes around the pickup here. That's in there. All these have been tightened. I'm about to throw the oil pan on here. Okay, I just got the oil pump on. There's a seal here, and there's like a seal, I think, back behind here, if I remember right. So those two got switched, and I cleaned it up and got the gray, ultra gray sealant on there. You can see it's sealed in here. Okay, so I have done a lot of the boring stuff, I call it, just because it takes a lot of time. But you know, I got the water pump on, I got the oil pump on, I got the oil cooler on here, and I cleaned up all this, freshened up these hoses, switched some of them that were in bad shape, had some new hoses here. Okay, I'm prepping the left side cylinder head to go on, so I just cleaned the surface here, and I'm getting ready to put the cylinder head on. I'll bolt it in and then put the cams back in it. I then need to switch out these front cam seals, so I got some new ones here. Yep. Just put the head gasket on. Okay, so I was looking at these. I was putting the head bolts back in the other day, and I was like, dang, these are bad. They were all rusted, and they had like holes pitted out of them. So I just went and got 4 new for the center head bolts here. We're putting those in. Then I'll be able to finish this driver's side cylinder head, and then I'll put the cams back in. All right, I got the valve cover gaskets here. Subaru valve cover gaskets here. I got the cylinder head on. Got it all torqued down. I got the cams on, and yeah. So I'm gonna put the valve covers on. I got those cleaned up yesterday. Well, the driver's side valve cover. Make sure you put the right one on. All right, so I got the long block together here. Both the cylinder heads are on. I still need to put this valve cover on. So I was short on these grommets, so I need to get some more of those. But yeah, we're making progress. It's coming together.